Hello, James at My Breeder Supply. A short video on how to set the thermostat on our portable incubators, either the bigger or the larger ones. They both have the same style of thermostat, and you can see it right here. So you want to set this thing for 40 degrees centigrade. This reads in centigrade, not Fahrenheit. So you want to set this for 40 degrees centigrade. That's about 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the perfect temperature to keep puppies and kittens just happy and warm and safe. So the problem is that if you mess with these two buttons on the left hand side, you could inadvertently reset the thing, and then it's in the wrong mode. It's actually is trying to be in a cooling mode, which doesn't work. And you can see the symptoms of this. If the thing is reading about 40 degrees, close to that, and the light's going off and on like it just did, you've got it set up right. If you want to find out whether you've got the thing reset by mistake, just hit the set button one time, and it will then show you the current target temperature. It's set for 40 degrees. If it does that, you're probably absolutely fine. And it's going to come to you set that way, so there's no reason to ever mess with this. The problem gets to be is if you press these two buttons, the up and down buttons on the left hand side, before you press the set button, you can inadvertently reset the thing in the wrong mode in a lower temperature. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to press this button in here now, and you wouldn't know that there's anything wrong until you hit this set button, and you'll see it's set for 28. That's a surefire sign that you've reset this thing by mistake. So the question is, how do you fix it? Well, the answer is you hold the set button in, and I've got to have my hand, hold the set button in, and it'll say hold it in, it'll start flashing the current temperature, which is wrong, and it will then finally say P0. When it does that, press it one more time. And if it says C, you want to set it to H. Hit one of these up or down buttons so it says H. If you now leave the thing alone, it's in the right mode. You've now got to reset the target temperature. So hit the set button one time quickly. And it's flashing. Hit the up button till it reads 40 degrees. Do that here, 38, 39, 40, not too far, hit the down button. Then after you go to 40, just leave everything alone. It'll just quit flashing. It'll show the current temperature, and it's all set up properly. So that is now set up correctly. Everything's ready to go. So let's just do that one more time. I'm going to inadvertently reset this thing by mistake. So if I mess with these two buttons before hitting this, that's the reason the thing gets reset. So I'll hold this button in, and I've now reset the thing. And how do I know it's reset? Well, the first thing is it won't hold the temperature properly. And the second thing is if you hit the set button, it'll read 28. And there it is. So to fix it, wait till it stops flashing. Like that. Hold the set button in until it says P0. When it says P0, let the button go and press it one more time. Let it go, press it one more time. It says C, it's got to read H. Leave everything alone. Hit the set button one time. It's flashing the current temperature that you want to set it to. Raise the temperature up to the correct temperature, which in our case is 40. And there it is, it's reset. Now everything's fine, it'll all work beautifully. So when it's working properly, what you'll see is this red light will come on when it drops significantly below 40, like 38 degrees, this light will come on. And if it gets above 40 degrees, the light will go off, and then it'll maintain within a couple of degrees the target temperature. And you won't be able to tell the difference inside, it'll just feel nice and warm. So there it is. And if you have any questions, give us a holler if we can help you. But if you have pressed this button here and it reads 28, you've almost certainly reset this thing by mistake. If you want to check whether it's set right, hold the button in. When it stops, goes to P0, let the button go, press it one more time, and it needs to reach H. If it reads H, you're in heating mode and you're fine. If you hit the set button and it reads 40 degrees, you've got it set for the right temperature. If you want to change the temperature, hit the set button one time, and you can raise. You can see the light's gone because I told it to go, or I can go lower and the light will go off. If I go down to 38 degrees, the light will go off. We'll do that. And there it goes off. So I'm going to put it back where it needs to be. The light's flashing. If the light's not flashing, you can't press these buttons. That's what caused the reset. Hit the set button. Raise the temperature up. We're at 40 degrees. There it is. All's good. Got any questions, give us a holler. Thanks for looking. Bye-bye.